Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Essence. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can add WhatsApp chat to your website. Imagine you have a website and you want your customers to directly contact you on your WhatsApp. So this is how you are going to do it. Stay tuned for this video in order to learn it. So without any further ado, let's start with the video.
Before starting the video, let me show you guys how a website shall look after you add a WhatsApp chat feature to it. So anyone visiting your website can contact you by just clicking on this icon. Now, if someone shall click on the icon, he or she shall be redirected to WhatsApp where he or she can message you directly. This message shall be sent to your WhatsApp number which you shall enter, and then you can reply to that message manually. So let's start the process. The very first step consists of installing a plugin. So for that, we shall go to plugins and then add new plugin and then search for WhatsApp. We need to install the very first one, that is join chat. So now I'm going to activate it. Once it is activated, you will see the activated plugins over here. Join chat. Now you all need to do is go to settings for adding your number. So here is the telephone number that you can add, to which you want your customers to directly send message to, and then you can select the position where you want to place it, on the right side of the screen or on the left side of the screen. Then you can select the image. So basically this is the WhatsApp image, so it's definitely we are going to keep that only, or you can also have a choice to alternate this WhatsApp logo with something else. Then you have this tool tip. You can add anything that need a help or ask me personally, something like that. Then there is this button delay, then mobile only, so we can just customize this WhatsApp chat just for mobile or just for web or both of them. Then there is this chat window, call to action. You can type in the message, then start WhatsApp button, what is the text on the start WhatsApp button on chat window, then the theme color, then whether it should be a dark mode or light mode, then logo, chat delay, page views, notification bell, and then finally you will just go to save changes. So let me show you on the website how it shall look like. So thank you guys for watching the video. I hope it was useful for you. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about the video, and in case if you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. Also, thank you for watching the video again, and please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any updates, and thank you for subscribing in case you have subscribed the channel.